Hey, what's up guys, my name is Cherno, and welcome to a little update video regarding Ludum 36. So, I'm not actually gonna do it. I didn't wanna prolong my denial of Ludum 36 too long because otherwise you might get excited. Unfortunately, I don't have time to do it this weekend. However, the reason I made a whole video just to say, unfortunately I won't be doing it, is because I will be doing something exciting next weekend, right? So I thought that I was actually really looking forward to doing Ludum 36 because it's been a while. I mean, I don't think I did Ludum 35. No, I wouldn't have. In fact, and you can see how live these videos are, I'm Googling stuff right now. I think the last Ludum I did, according to my Ludum page, was 34, yeah. So I believe that was, what, December last year? Yeah, that would have been December last year, and I made the game growth. And I was actually really looking forward to having time to actually make a project, right? I wanted to have time. I wanted to have this entire weekend where I could actually spend making a project, like, so to speak, working on my own work, right? Doing something for myself, because I really haven't had too much time to just write code and program on my own stuff. So I was really looking forward to doing that, and unfortunately, it didn't work out because I have stuff to do. So it's very unfortunate. But to make up for that, because again, I really wanted to work on my own stuff and I really wanted to actually spend some time live streaming, is I decided that next weekend, I am actually free, and next weekend what I'm going to do is basically the whole weekend, almost, I'm going to stream myself basically porting Sparky to Android, okay? So from start to finish, there'll be like basically a single live stream, however long it takes. It may take a long time, right? But however long it takes, I'm going to port Sparky to Android. So in case you're not familiar, what you see on the screen right now is the Sparky engine on the test 3D scene, which is just a very basic scene that shows you basic kind of physically based rendering. So this is what Sparky is. It's a game engine that I've been working on for quite some time now. I haven't actually worked on it lately almost at all, but nonetheless, it is something that I really want to kind of get back to working on. And I thought that since I will actually need to use Sparky for a few kind of research projects that I'm doing, and they are specifically for mobile devices, I thought it would be a great kind of weekend to port Sparky completely to Android. The reason I'm not doing iOS is because, first of all, I don't really want to spend $150 on a developer account. And also because I need a Mac, like I would have to get my Mac out for that, and it might be a bit difficult to stream that. I mean, I do have a MacBook Pro, but I'd have to like hook that up with streaming, and like, I don't know. It's just going to be like, even though it's actually a lot more straightforward to get iOS working with this, just because Objective-C and Objective-C++ is really like, you know, I mean, it integrates much better with C++. In fact, if you're writing like Objective-C++, it's basically just, you can have one line of code that's written in C++ and one line of code that's written in Objective-C. It's beautiful, right? However, Android's a bit harder to set up, but honestly, it's not that difficult. And I think I've never done anything mobile on this channel before. So I thought that it would be a really cool experience for you guys to see how to basically take a C++ game engine written for Windows, right, which happens to support both DirectX and OpenGL, and how to actually port that onto a mobile platform, and in this case, specifically onto Android. Because I know that a lot of you guys have always been kind of using Java for making games on Android, and that's okay, but obviously in the kind of the larger scale of things, you do want to be running native code. And that also means you can share the same code base, of course, between iOS and Android. But anyway, getting away from all that, that's going to happen next weekend. So next weekend, I believe, is the Saturday will be on the 3rd of September. Wow, it's September already. That's crazy. I have to think. I'm not doing anything then. No, okay. That is free. So the 3rd of September, Australian Eastern Standard Time at like probably 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm actually going to get up early for this. So 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time next weekend on Saturday the 3rd of September, I will begin my live stream on twitch.tv/thecherno. There'll be a link in the description. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/thecherno, because I'll obviously be keeping you guys up to date there, and I will tweet out when I start streaming. And also, if there are any problems with the stream, I always update my Twitter, of course, with the status of that stream and everything. So you definitely want to be following me there. But basically, if you're interested in that, I'm going to put out some videos as well, probably on the Cherno Archive channel, but I'll see if I can actually put some on this channel, right? If I actually manage to make the stream like high quality enough and everything, I will definitely try and do that. But anyway, that is how the cookie crumbles. I always say that. I don't know why. It's just the thing that comes to my phrase. It's just the phrase that comes to my head at the end of videos. But anyway, that's the idea. If you like this decision of mine to do this, please hit the like button. I mean, like it's definitely something that I need to do anyway, and I thought I might as well stream it. And I just thought, you know what, let's sit down, do this Android thing in one sitting, kind of just get this running already, and everything will be good. Okay, so that is the plan. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.